Hi friends, welcome to Ideas at Home. Today's video is about how to bake a plum cake in an OTG oven. It's Christmas time and all of us will be making plum cake at home. Today I am baking this plum cake in my Havells OTG. It's a 35 liters OTG oven with fan function. While our cake batter is almost getting done, we have to preheat the oven first. We have to set the temperature at 160 degrees Celsius. It won't be marked there, but we'll be having a rough idea. You can place it at around 160 degrees Celsius in toast mode, that is both rod heated with fan function. If you don't have the fan function, you can select the function knob with both rods on, and the time duration is for 10 minutes. I repeat, temperature at 160 degrees Celsius in toast mode, that is both rod heated with fan, for about 10 minutes. I have kept ready the cake batter for plum cake. I am using an aluminium cake pan here, and I have applied a little oil and kept a butter paper. I have also applied little oil over the butter paper and then poured in the cake batter. The oven is now preheated. I am going to place the cake tin inside the preheated oven. I have just opened the oven door and placed the cake tin over the baking tray in the middle rack and closed the oven door. Now I am going to set the temperature again. I have retained the temperature at 160 degrees Celsius itself. In bake mode, this is very important. While you are placing the cake tin, first you have to change the function knob to bake mode, that is only the bottom rod heated without fan for a time 15 minutes first. After 15 minutes, we will be extending the time later. As of now, I have set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius in bake mode for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes in bake mode is over now. The time has come to 0. Now we are going to extend the time again. We have kept the temperature at 160 degrees Celsius itself. We are not changing it, but we are changing the function knob to toast mode, that is both rod heated with fan, for about 15 minutes. I repeat, in 160 degrees Celsius itself in toast mode, that is both rod heated with a fan. You can see the symbol there, for about 15 minutes more. Now a total of 30 minutes is over. We are going to open the oven door and check whether it's done. You can see that it's not fully done, so we are closing the door again and we are going to extend the time for 10 more minutes in toast mode itself and in the same temperature, that is 160 degrees Celsius itself. So in total we have baked for about 40 minutes, 15 minutes in bake mode, 15 minutes in toast mode and 10 more minutes in toast mode. The last 10-minute baking is also over. I have opened the oven door and our plum cake is perfectly baked. It is a half kg plum cake. Our plum cake is evenly baked. I have used a skewer and inserted in the center to check whether it's fully baked. When the skewer comes out clean, it indicates that our cake is perfectly baked. After removing the cake tin, you have to switch off the oven. Allow the cake to cool down completely. Using this method, you can easily bake a plum cake at home. While preparing the plum cake batter, for the plum cake, I have caramelized the sugar only to a golden brown color, not a darker color. That's why my cake is having a lighter texture. Also, I have prepared the plum cake with butter instead of oil.
Okay.
I have also prepared a 1 kg butter plum cake. This time I have caramelized the sugar to even darker color. That's why I have got a darker plum cake. Hope this video was useful for you. If you have got any queries, please do ask me in the comment section below. I have posted several OTG oven recipes in my channel. Please do subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.